What's up YouTube? So today I'll be talking about how to install one of my most favorite plugin, that is Nick Collection by DxO. So before we run into on what this plugin can do, I'm just going to show you on how to install this because it would take less than a minute or two. So first and foremost, I'll be putting up the link in description on how to the link to download it, and then you'll be getting a file like this, Nick Collection for Photoshop, and then you just double click it and just follow up on the steps. That is, you could say, it is click next and agree and next, and you click your version of Photoshop and you give install and it will be installed. So in my case I've already installed it, so I don't have to do it again, so I'll just give cancel and I'll jump right into Photoshop. So as soon as you get it, you get this small tab like this, so which we are not interested. For now I'll just open up a photo. Alright, so we'll use this photo for this tutorial. I'll just drag and drop it, and let's give Photoshop a minute. Yeah, so I'll just do the basic adjustments as always. Yep, that would be enough, I guess. So we'll just open up the image. Oh, okay, so you can find Nick Collection in filter, Nick Collection, and the most interesting one we'll be talking about today is Color Effects Pro. So in Color Effects Pro, you get a lot of options, a lot of presets, and a lot of fun new styles. So I'll just jump right in few of my favorites. So one of my most favorite one is detail extractor. So it just basically pops the details. It makes the midtones pop up, and it gives like a more of a punch to your photo, so you can see the difference in this. So it's a really great way to make an HD out of your photo, not an HDR exactly, but then more of a highly contrasty photo or a grungy one. So you can use with this. And then there's this, say in case of portrait, then you can maybe select the color of the skin and then you can soften that. So you can actually use it for landscapes as well by using it on greens like this. So uh, another interesting one I like over here is foliage. With this you can basically change the color of the greens to something like this in a more naturalistic way, unlike hue and saturation. And there's a lot more. The options are limitless. Just have to just go through one by one and then figure it out by yourself. So one of my another favorite is glamour glow, which I'll be talking about later on how I use this in almost all my photographs, but that is for another tutorial. So and then there's a lot more different versions of it. In this you can sharpen your photo, and this is for HDR, and just explore it yourself and you get a better idea. But the Nick collection is one of a must-have plugin for all photographers out there. So that's it from me for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share with a friend who you think might make use of this. Until then, bye bye. See ya.